3 fan cover, replacement fan cover with a bracket attached to the front. So I like printing these in ASA because it's super strong. These little tabs are not going to break. I'm putting a lot of pressure on these. It's not going to break. This came out really smooth, really clean. Okay, so here's the project. This is an old K3, and this is the new fan cover I made for it. This was a prototype, and I put that little groove in there just using snippers. So I went back and redesigned it with a groove in there. And all I did was put a little piece of Velcro through one of these slots and then fished it back through the other slot next to it. So this snaps in here, snaps in here, snap in all the way. There we go. The clips on this, because again, it's ASA, they're not breaking. That's a solid fan cover. So this is why I made it. Sorry, I went out of frame there for a second. So this little digital name tag thing, you can upload GIFs and pictures and text. You can also upload video that has sound. I don't know how loud it is because I haven't tried it out yet. But if you plug it in and you fish it up here and then connect it to your Bowden tubes with, I just use Velcro. This won't fit in these plastic clips, but I don't want to use zip ties because that's a pain in the butt to have to unzip tie, snip it, throw it away, start it over again. So I just use Velcro. And then I'm going to fish this up through here and plug it in, maybe unvelcro it so I get a little slack. If it's plugged in, it will stay on because the battery won't die. And then there's a little lip here that keeps it held in. Plus this is also going to help hold it in so it is not going to fall out. And then I can put this back on. Never mind the tape at the top. That's because one of the tabs on the housing broke, so it won't hold it on very tight, so I have to kind of duct tape it. This is an old machine. That's what happens with old 3D printers. So yeah, that's my fun little modification. It is not functional in any way. It will not tell you print time. It will not tell you temperature, and it won't tell you anything like that. It does not affect the firmware. It doesn't have any access to the printer at all. It's its own standing device, and I just built the bracket to hold it on there.